Hi everybody, it's Tim and it's currently Thursday, March 14th, 2019. What you're looking at here is a Facebook Live event, the one that I've been tortured to do for years. Because I deal with 99% women, because those are the ones most interested in natural health and living, or seem to be, or the caregivers for the family. One of the things I've been tortured to do for a very long time is to talk only about the perceived vanity or beauty issues and the mineral deficiencies, or what's the best way to put that would be the proteins, or I'm speaking about connective tissue, elastin, collagen, what's being disrupted for the cause of what are perceived as beauty issues, such as I'm going to start at wrinkles in your forehead to crow's feet. I'm going to work all the way down to chapped heels. Everything in between, and yes, I'm going to talk about your scrotum or your vagina as well. But it's going to happen next Friday night, and it's actually going to be sponsored in part by the Center for Excellence, who is giving me 2 courses to give away for this live event. One of the courses is their Emotional Freedom Technique Full Accreditation Diploma course. The other is the Meditation Diploma course. Both come complete with the audio versions as well, so that you'll learn, and a kind of a gift for everybody. Right here on the page, and I'm going to put this in the description so it's much easier to click on the links and find the event page, as well as to find my profile. This will be broadcast at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 7 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time where I live. All kinds of world clocks that can help you determine what time that will be. However, you will have to, this is going to be broadcast from my personal profile on Facebook. The link is listed there at the bottom of the screen. But once again, I will put it in the description of the video as well, so it's easy for you to click. For those who want to be a part of the giveaway, you'll have to be on my friends list, because you'll have to be able to comment on the live broadcast. If you follow, which you're more than welcome to do, just follow for the purpose of seeing the video and getting the information. If you follow, you'll be able to view it, but you won't be able to comment. And thus you won't be a part of the giveaway, because you're going to need to comment to be a part, so I know who I'm going to give away to. With that said, if you send me a friend request and you have a anonymous Facebook account, I probably won't accept it. I have to admit, I don't accept Facebook friend requests from anonymous people, and I also don't accept Facebook friend requests if I can see the account and I can see that there are people who spread hate. If you spread hate, I'm a man of peace. I don't want that in my news feed. I don't want to enable or support people who spread hate. And not that I don't want to, I won't. I absolutely refuse to. But this is going to happen. We're going to talk about the mineral deficiencies and the correlations to what are perceived as beauty issues, because there's such a great misunderstanding that things such as crow's feet, folds or wrinkles in front of the ears, lines under the eyes, that these are the natural signs of aging. They're not. I can show you children under 10 years old with all of these, and I can show you 70-year-olds that have none of them. They are not natural signs of aging. They are a physical cause, whether it's a mineral deficiency, a protein that's not producing properly or blocked, whether it's collagen, elastin, the epidermis itself, connective tissue issue. We're going to talk about that all next Friday. We're going to start at the top of the head. We're actually going to talk about your hair as well. We're going to work your way down to those chapped heels that are probably a result of your thyroid issues. But we'll get to it all next Friday. If you want to be a part of it, you want to watch it, you want to get in on the giveaways and the extra that the Center for Excellence is going to give to everyone, just click on the links in the description. Sign up for the event page so I have some idea who's all going to be there, and send me a friend request or follow me on Facebook so that you know when the event starts at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 week from tomorrow, March 22nd, 2019. Bye.